Setting sacred space is an act of remembrance. It is the moment you consciously return to the truth that your home is not just a physical structure, but a living field that holds emotion, memory, and energy. Every conversation, every thought, every season of life leaves an imprint. When you set sacred space, you are gently clearing what no longer belongs and reclaiming your home as a place of safety, nourishment, and presence. Begin by creating movement. Open a window or door, even if only slightly, and allow fresh air to touch the room. This simple gesture signals release. As you move through your space, cleanse in a way that feels natural to you. Smoke, sound, water, or even focused breath can all shift stagnant energy. Let your movements be slow and intentional. Corners, thresholds, mirrors, and places where energy gathers deserve special care. As you cleanse, speak softly or inwardly, letting your words carry authority without force. You are not banishing in fear, you are restoring balance. Feel the space exhale with you. Once the energy has softened, return to the center of the room and bring your awareness inward. This is where you call in the 4 directions, not as symbols, but as living forces that stabilize and protect. Facing the east, invite clarity, breath, and new beginnings to enter. Let the quality of air move through your mind and lighten your thoughts. Turning to the south, welcome warmth, courage, and creative fire. Feel vitality return to your body and strength settle into your spine. Facing the west, invite emotional wisdom, intuition, and gentle flow. Allow feelings to be acknowledged without overwhelm. Finally, turn to the north and call in grounding, stability, and deep nourishment. Let the energy of Earth remind you that you are held and supported. With the directions present, you are ready to set protection. Close your eyes and imagine a light forming around your space. It may appear as a circle, a dome, or a soft veil that wraps the room and everything within it. This light is intelligent. It does not isolate, it filters. Choose a color that feels right in your body and let it strengthen naturally. Speak your intention clearly and calmly, affirming that your space is protected and that only energies aligned with peace, love, and integrity may remain. Feel the boundaries seal gently, like a quiet agreement between you and the space itself. To anchor the ritual, place a physical object somewhere meaningful, a candle, a crystal, a bowl of herbs, or a handwritten intention serves as a reminder that this work is ongoing and alive. Each time you see it, the energy of the ritual is renewed. Before you close, take a moment to thank the space. Gratitude completes the circuit and deepens the connection between you and your home. Setting sacred space is not about control or perfection. It is about relationship. When you speak to your home with reverence, it listens. When you care for its energy, it cares for you in return. Over time, this practice becomes less of a ritual and more of a way of living, one where your home feels like a sanctuary, not because nothing ever goes wrong, but because it knows how to return to harmony.